are going to love the 2019 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. This vehicle is